How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the Still Fishing with me, DYang. We're gonna look for some more pikes today, so stay tuned. Quick intro, let's have some fun. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys out on the water. I wonder how it's gonna go. I don't know yet. Let's see. Alright guys, so we are much more prepared this time, and we brought some steel leader. Okay, we're not gonna be breaking off anymore, hopefully. I got 20-pound fluoro on, so it should be strong enough to hold on. Let's put that leader through. There we go. Nada. All right. Got him. I knew they were here. Got him. I found one. Yeah. One pike. Dude, it's a pretty guy too. Cool. A little snaky guy. There you are. Hit exactly how I thought it would. Little guy. Looking for the big ones though. Yuck. How bad is that? God. Oh, it's a bass. They got bass here. What? No way. That's cool. Freaking snagged him in the head too. How the heck did that happen? Also, they do have bass here. Thought it was just pikes. Jeez, buddy. Snagged pretty darn good. Nice little bass. Oh, okay, okay. I wasn't recording, but I caught a bass. Such an epic hook set too. But yeah, they're there. They're over there. Dang, I was not recording. Got him. That's another bass. Little guy. Oh, that's so cool. It's two back to back. Just wasn't recording. Like, the swim jig is good, but I think we need more drawing power, like bigger profile, beefier profile, something that's gonna like stir up the weeds. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Put on the bigger guy. I'd be down to throw a frog too. Oh yeah, we're gonna go with the spark shad. Alright, we don't want no small fish, we want some big ones. So we got the spark shad going. Boing! There we go, that's the cast. Oh, dude. Whoa, whoa, I just had a hit. Had a freaking giant hit. What the heck? No freaking way. No way. Oh my gosh. Freaking smacked it. Tail still on? Yes, tail still on. Alright, just get it back up. Had a freaking giant hit on this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Guess what? That's a giant pike. Massive pike. Massive pike. Dude, that thing was huge. That was a massive pike I drew in. Oh, he's right in front of me. He's right in front of me. What the hell? What the freak? He was right in front of me. What the fuck? Came back for it. Got him! Got him! That's a giant pike. That's a giant pike. Oh my gosh. There we go. Look at that thing. Holy sh! Got him, guys. Oh, there's my PB pike right here, guys. Whoa, he's huge. He's freaking huge. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yo thought the other one was big. He's not done yet. He's not done yet. Oh my gosh. He's not done yet. Oh, he's not done yet. Oh my gosh. Good thing I got that steel leader on. Whoa. Oh shit. No, stay back. Come back, come back. Dude, good thing I got that steel leader on. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to kill him. Oh shit. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Guys, oh shit. This thing is like 40 plus. I do not have a measuring tape, but I can tell you right now. This thing is like 40 plus. I'm just gonna measure it from here. Pass right there, okay? You see that? Here to here. Past this ring about like that much. I'm just estimating 40 inches. Guys, I'm not crazy. My hair looks crazy, but my DYangBass is destroyed. Look at that, guys. Off of the DYangBass spark shed. Dude, look at the head on this thing. It's huge. My PB right here. I can tell you right now, this thing is 40 inches. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get a release on it. See ya, bro. It'll be good. It'll swim off. Alright. Golly, let's see if you catch another one. See if you catch another one. Here we go. Last spark shad, boys and girls. Last one. Got him. That's a nice fish. Oh yeah. It's a pike. Oh, this little slithery guy, pretty guy. Yeah, nice little fish. Pretty. See ya, dude. I keep seeing fish like wake away. I don't know if they're bass or what. There he is. Yeah, I think that was a bass. Yep, those are bass. Oh, got him. That was a bass. Shit. Hit me right in the face. Oh, that was scary. Oh. That freaking bass hit it and hit me right in the face. Oh gosh. Jeez. Let's go with this pink. I'm a big fan of pink for smallies and largies anyways. So let's see if we can get something to bite this, because I've been having this guy for a while too, this pink one, and I have not got anything to commit to it. So hopefully these gators will. Whoa, that was cool. How was that? There's a bass over there. Oh, there's the weight. There's weight. Got him. Got him. That's a nice fish. What the hell is that? Whoa. Oh, it's a pike. Oh, it's a pretty big one too. Nice. Look at him go. Oh, yes. Yeah. I can't lift him. That's a pretty big one. Oh, yeah. Now you're worth the video. Here you go, guys. Here's another brute. Beautiful pike. Look at that right there. Wow, I love these things. They fight so freaking hard. So I came here, looked for some giant pikes. We got them. Let's get back in the water. And it's off. Woo! Let's catch one more if you can. That'd be crazy if you catch another giant. I got one. What the freak? Oh no, it popped off. Oh, I didn't think it was a fish. Oh, it was a nice fish. I thought it was just like seaweed, you know? Crap. Got him there. Oh, he came. What? He came back for it. What the freak? Whoa. Dude, he freaking came back for it. We're gonna go ahead and throw on these 3.5 inch saucy swimmer on. Ooh, this thing stank. Alright. Let's see here. Something juicy, something that smells good. Oh yeah. It's about to go down, boys.
No, I know.
Okay.
It's a nice.
Yeah.
I'd love to let you, but
Oh no, it's cool. I respect that.
we have one old guy that fishes here.
Yeah,
He's been a
I
member
seen.
forever.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I seen guys like fishing. You know, that's all.
Otherwise, pretty much dog trading takes a precedence over.
Okay. Yeah. No, I didn't know that. Yeah. Sorry. Nope.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
That's cool.
Not
Yeah.
the end of the world. So want you to.
Nope. That's cool. Definitely don't want to be locked in.
Mostly, that's the biggest.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
All right. Take care.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. All right, guys. So I guess I'm heading out. The guy came and pretty much just told me that it's club members only. I mean, he was cool, you know, he wasn't a jerk or anything. He was just like, hey, you know, I know you like to fish, but you can't fish here. It's only club members only. It's only for like dog people who train their dogs and stuff. You know, thank you, I appreciate it. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't want to get locked out anyways. I had a great time. It caught some big pike. I'm gonna head home now, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that monster pike video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this stuff. Until next time, I'll see you guys out in the water. It's pretty cool.